Hi, so as promised, today I'm going to be showing you how to start an app in Django. So this is going to be a pretty short tutorial because it's very simple. Um, so yeah, I'm going to aim to keep my videos short, so it's just one thing you need because if you're having trouble with one thing, you don't need explained a bunch of other things as I'm going off on a tangent. So anyways, we'll get started. So first we're going to go into our desktop. We're going CD desktop as I showed you last time, and then CD Harry's. Now we're in Harry and we're operating within here, which is the project that we started last time. And now we're going to start an app. So an app can be something like a blog app. In our case, we're going to be making a database app. And and you can use the same code for these applications in a different project and just name, you'll see later, it'll make more sense later. But I'm also going to show you something else that I could have showed you in the last video. The text coming in. I could have showed you it in the last video, but I'm just going to show you now. Just know that starting the app doesn't give you this ability. You could have done it last video. So then we're going to go Python 3 manage.py start app and the name of the app. And this is the command to start the app. So let's name the app spells. So we did that, and then you'll see that spells appeared right here. And spells has all of these things in it. You'll notice that it doesn't have that you already kind of have a website coming up, and this is where everything will be happening. So back on our terminal, we can do Python 3 manage.py run server. And all this stuff will come up, and the migrations things, I'll teach you about that later. But then it has this link, you can copy it, open up an incognito window, and I want to make this smaller. Can I make it just so you can put the whole thing in? Okay, and now I'm putting it in. Look, it's already here. This install worked successfully. Congratulations. And this is the thing we'll be working in. So that's how you run the server. And then you want to stop the server. So Control C. And then you're done. And then to clear your terminal, you can say clear. So that's it for today. Stay tuned for more updates on how to work in Django.